Embarking on a wilderness adventure can be exhilarating, but it also presents unique challenges, especially when it comes to maintaining hygiene. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a newbie to the wild, these hygiene hacks will help you stay fresh and comfortable during your journey into nature's embrace. Start by packing the essentials: a lightweight, quick-dry towel, biodegradable soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, and wet wipes are must-haves. Consider portable bidets for a more thorough clean after using the restroom. Opt for moisture-wicking and breathable clothing to keep sweat and odor at bay. Pack layers for varying weather conditions, including a waterproof jacket and sturdy hiking boots. Respect nature by following leave no trace principles. Dispose of waste properly, avoid bathing or washing dishes in water sources, and stick to designated trails to minimize your impact on the environment. Maintaining hand hygiene is crucial in preventing illnesses. Use hand sanitizer before meals and after using the restroom. If water is available, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Don't neglect your dental hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day with a portable toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Floss regularly to prevent food particles from causing dental issues. Proper hydration is key to staying healthy and alert. Carry a reusable water bottle and drink frequently, especially in hot weather or during strenuous activities. For menstruating individuals, plan ahead by packing menstrual products in sealed, waterproof bags. Consider reusable menstrual cups or period underwear for eco-friendly options. Break time point tag. Take care of your feet to prevent blisters and discomfort. Wear moisture-wicking socks, keep your feet clean and dry, and consider applying foot powder or blister prevention tape before long hikes. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by wearing a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen with a high SPF rating. Reapply sunscreen every few hours, especially after sweating or swimming. Combat body odor by changing into fresh clothes regularly, using odor-neutralizing wipes or sprays, and airing out sweaty gear. Avoid using heavily scented products that can attract wildlife. Prevent insect bites by wearing long sleeves and pants, using insect repellent with DEET or picaridin, and setting up mosquito netting around sleeping areas if necessary. Treat bites promptly with antihistamine creams or wipes. Follow pack it in, pack it out principles by carrying out all trash, including biodegradable items like food scraps. Use designated waste disposal sites and avoid burying or burning waste in natural areas. By incorporating these hygiene hacks into your wilderness routine, you can enjoy a clean, comfortable, and environmentally responsible outdoor experience. Remember, a little preparation and mindful practices go a long way in ensuring a memorable and enjoyable adventure in the great outdoors.